So we have completed the IPR. And the next one, again, we need to input the well configuration. So tick deviation survey, downhole equipment, geothermal gradient, and average heat capacities. Click edit. And now I will input the trajectory. Actually the same trajectory with the first case, hydraulic fracturing. Okay. And then lastly, this one. If you want to check the plot again, so click that plot button, finish, done. And then we need to provide downhole equipment. It's actually the same configuration as well. So it's tubing to 1000 feet or inches, default roughness, multiplier 1, and then of course we have subsurface safety valve with diameter of 3.72, and then tubing again down to 9000, and then the same tubing inside diameter and roughness. Lastly, the casing down to 9275 and inside diameter 6.4. So click done, and overall heat transfer coefficient 8.64, and then the temperature 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 600 feet, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and then at the reservoir level is 210. You can also plot the result. So it's like this. Finish, done. And lastly, the average heat capacities, we can maintain the default values. Click done, and we can check the summary. Summary in table. You can also click draw downhole. So it's our well schematic. So we have Christmas tree, and then tubing, subsurface safety valve, tubing again all the way down to 9000 feet, and then our casing. So click done, click done, click done. Just wait. Okay, so this is our well sketch. It's very easy. Now we just need to perform nodal analysis. Go to calculation, system IPR VLP,